Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 1.7 from page number 26 of some basic concepts of chemistry, right? So let's read the statement. How much copper can be obtained from 100 gram of copper sulfate, and the formula of copper sulfate is CuSO4. Okay, so in this question they have given you 100 gram of copper sulfate and they are asking you to find the amount of copper that can be obtained from this copper sulfate, right? So in this question we'll apply unitary method. Before applying unitary method, we should know the relation that we will use for the unitary method. If you'll see, in 1 mole of copper sulfate, I am having 1 mole of copper, 1 mole of sulfur, and here we are having 4 oxygen, that means 4 moles of oxygen, right? So in this question we will apply relationship between 1 mole and atomic mass as well as 1 mole and molecular mass, right? Or you can also say molar mass. First of all, I'll see in 1 mole how much copper sulfate is present. Definitely 1 mole of copper sulfate will be equal to the molecular mass of copper sulfate, right? So first of all, we'll find the molar mass of CuSO4. Definitely the atomic mass of copper plus atomic mass of sulfur plus 4 into atomic mass of oxygen will give the molar mass of copper sulfate, right? So atomic mass of copper is 63.5 gram per mole plus atomic mass of sulfur 32 gram per mole plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram per mole. We are taking 4 moles of oxygen, so I'll multiply 4 with 16. So 4 into 16 gram per mole, right? So 63.5 plus 32 plus 4 into 16, that will be 64. I'll take units common, gram per mole, right? So 63.5 plus 32 plus 64, the answer will be 159.5 gram per mole. We have to find the amount of copper, right? So I'll see the atomic mass of copper also, because I know that 1 mole of copper sulfate is giving 1 mole of copper. So definitely 1 mole of copper sulfate is equal to the molar mass or molecular mass of copper sulfate, and 1 mole of copper is equal to the atomic mass of copper, right? So the atomic mass of copper is 63.5 gram per mole. Now we will apply unitary method over here. 159.5 gram per mole of copper sulfate will give copper equal to 63.5 gram per mole. We have to find in 100 gram of copper sulfate, right? So 100 gram of copper sulfate will give copper equal to unitary method 63.5 gram per mole will be taken in numerator divided by the first value on the left side, that is 159.5 gram per mole into the second value on the left side, 100 gram. I'll cancel this gram per mole with this gram per mole. 63.5 into 100, the answer will be 6350 divided by 159.5 units. I am having gram only. So 6350 divided by 159.5, the answer will be 39.81 gram. That means 100 gram of copper sulfate will give 39.81 gram of copper.